You won't see this coming. Some delicious potatoes with an amazing aroma. Hi, do you want to enjoy some amazing potatoes? Then try this version of roasted potatoes with rosemary and garlic. They're incredible. The first thing I do is peel the potatoes. I'm going to take 9 or 10 of them and remove the skin. It's better if they're small, but if not, we'll just cut them into pieces. This small one, for example, just cut it in half. Perfect. Now, in a container with a lid, pour in a splash of oil. You're also going to add garlic powder to taste. I add quite a bit because it gives it a lot of flavor. I also add rosemary, which gives the potatoes that distinctive touch, and a little bit of freshly ground black pepper, which enhances the flavors. And of course, salt. As always, as much as you want. You know this is a very personal preference. Some people like a lot of salt, others prefer less. Then we place the cut potatoes inside. We cover it and shake the container a bit. This ensures that the flavors are distributed everywhere. Now we just need to remove the lid from the container, line a baking tray with a silicone mat or parchment paper, and place the potatoes on top, spaced apart, so they can brown in the oven. And whatever flavored oil you have left, just drizzle it over each potato. It's that easy. Also add 5 cloves of garlic, unpeeled, spread out on the tray. Then we're going to put it in the oven, which should be preheated to 200 degrees Celsius or 395 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to leave them until they're golden brown. Usually that's about 20 to 25 minutes. Once you have them, take them out, make sure they're nice and golden, and place them on the plate where you want to serve this beauty, because it's time to enjoy. They look great. Go ahead, they're delicious. Look at the dish we've made. In a moment, as soon as you open the oven door, you're enveloped by an amazing, delicious aroma. Look at this dish, just look at it. Look how tempting it is. You put this on the table and everyone will want to dig in, because all that's left is enjoy. I hope you like the idea and let me know in the comments how you usually make your potatoes. Do you have a secret recipe? I'm here, happy to learn with you. And if you also tell me where you're watching the video from, we'll travel the whole world through good food.